Cleburne traffic, Skyhawk 1802 Victor. We're taking the active 33, departing 33, turn out to the west, and then south-southwest Cleburne. Oh man, feels good. Cold weather, the airplane's happy, it'll jump right up. Look at that. Oh my gosh, we're a helicopter. Unbelievable. That's the difference between August and October.
Pretty clear.
Severe clear. Oh my gosh, it's clear. Fort Worth? Probably see Dallas way over there.
It's never this clear.
Great day. God has blessed us today. Look
I guess
how
you
green
thought
it
he'd better
is.
give me a good flight or I wasn't going to go with you
you're
anymore.
about to give up on it. Cleburne traffic, Skyhawk 02 Victor. We're about 3 to the west at 3,000 feet, departing the area. Cleburne, westbound.
Cleburne traffic, Terminal 3, Charlie Hotel, through to the northwest, through 2,000.
Over 3 miles northwest, the inbound landing for 35 Bonham.
Traffic, November 1176.
Everybody's talking.
McGregor traffic, Cessna 46622, left downwind 35 McGregor.
You got McGregor, you got Bonham, Cleburne, Stephenville.
He said northwest, didn't he?
Yeah, he's over here, but he told me he was at 2,000.
What are you?
I'm at 3,000. He's below me and inbound for a downwind. He should be well behind me.
I was just trying to see him.
Yeah, just see him. He may even be, he's probably below the horizon, so he's going to be hard to see.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm going to get on a regional approach, because that'll be busy too.
Regional approach, Cirrus 229 Tango X-ray with you at 3,500.
Cirrus 229 Tango X-ray approach, runner.
Just about to call the guy.
Well, it's pretty quiet.
Regional approach, Skyhawk 1802 Victor.
Skyhawk 1802 Victor approach.
This is Cessna 172, about 5 west of Charlie Papa Tango Cleburne. Request VFR flight following direct to Junction, Juliet Charlie Tango at 4,500.
Straight southbound, correct?
Correct.
Contact forward center 127.15, 2715.
2715, 02 Victor.
27?
12715. Fort Worth Center, Skyhawk 1802 Victor.
Seven 1802 Victor, go ahead.
This is a Cessna 172, 5 west of Cleburne. Charlie Papa Tango requests VFR flight following direct to Junction, Juliet Charlie Tango, 4,500.
Number 1802 Victor, squawk code 0550.
0550, 02 Victor. Just go through the pages.
Pages, okay. I just want to see what it looks like compared to yours.
2050 forward Roger, good morning. Squawk 6536.
It's pretty accurate today.
It is. That's good. But when you get higher is when I lose it a little bit, kind of.
I feel like our nose is down. Is it?
I may be pushing it down. See, it's starting to rise. I can trim it down. It's so hands-off. Unbelievable.
Yeah, but you can't fly hands off.
Look at our speed. Where's our speed? 115. That's not bad. Yeah, look at Comanche Peak. Kimball County traffic. Skyhawk 02 Victor 8 south landing. Kimball County. Forgot to get Randy's land on my video.
Oh.
I just got busy while I was flying the plane. That's kind of dangerous.
Well, you can incorporate my stills.
Yes. We got lucky on finding it. We went dead onto it. I was happy about that.
I would have never found it.
So clear. I've looked at it so many times from Google Maps. I know that little liver-shaped open pasture. I'll check wind.
514 Zulu.
Is that it right there?
Visibility.
The airport?
Yes. Kimball County traffic, Skyhawk 02 Victor 5 south landing, Kimball.
You just going to do a straight in?
Yep. I'm good with that. Gives me a whole lot of time to set up and work on my speed. See that little high spot
Yeah.
with towers? They like to put towers on high spots. There's another one on this point. Buckled up and tightened up. Good. Had a great flight. Wow, this Earth is just so cool. Gosh.
Aren't we pretty high?
Yeah, we're pretty high. I got to lose a lot of altitude. I can pull my nose up and we'll sink and get slow. Kimball County traffic, Skyhawk 02 Victor 3 to the south landing. Kimball, I want to get down to 22. Got a little bit of
there's towers everywhere.
I know. I remember taking off and landing. When you depart, you got to hook. If you're going to the east, you got to climb big time. Remember what it looks like because it's smart to do. That's not scary. You got to pay attention. Is it showing up on our GPS? They're there. They're there. Speed perfect. I'm right on speed. Drop in a notch of flaps. Lois, you can feel that bucking around. Popped. Look at the Llano River. Kimball County traffic, Skyhawk 02 Victor, final for 3-5, full stop, Kimball. Hey, they've paved. They got a real nice taxiway. We landed on that bad windy day on that east-west runway, which
How come those towers aren't showing up on this?
should be. I don't know.
That's concerning.
What?
That is concerning.
Yeah, we count on that. Oh, they have a landing light system. I got 3 whites. I'm on a 3-degree landing slope. 5,000 foot runway, got plenty of runway, going right over the I-10.
Like a scary airport to get in and out of.
Well,
because of the
look what
outcropping.
happens down there.
Yeah.
Perfect. Pulled power for a glider. Harder than I like, but we're good. Brandy. Parkus. I'll be off at Charlie. No wind. Got high game fin.
Did you bring all your parking gear?
I brought my tie down, my dock. I have chains.
Can we go home on the
Oh yeah, we've only burned about probably max 10 gallons. I've got 38 gallons. Am I going behind or am I going to push back? What am I going to...
I have no idea.
I'll push back. Kimball County traffic, Skyhawk 02 Victor, clear of the active on Charlie.
You don't want to run into Randy.
Am I clear on those wingtips? Think?
Yeah.
Oh, this is the best day ever almost. It makes up for that bad flight. Kimball County traffic, Skyhawk 02 Victor, taking the active 17, departing 17 to the east, Kimball County. Check final.
Kimball County traffic, experimental 6873 is 10 miles north for landing.
Get out of the way.
Yeah, it should be. Okay, runway heading 17567. Transponder, and then flight timer. Rock and roll. Full throttle. Say goodbye to Randy. Okay, we're at about, it's time to rotate. Getting a little virga, a little rain. Fly out of it. Whoa, where's a push? $2,000 feet, which is only about 500 AGL. I can tell we have more weight on board. That's the problem.
Station 9041 Romeo Mike, 12 miles west. Commencing crosswind over the airport.
It is out. I'm about to climb out of them now. One more, about 10 more feet, and I'm above them. Hey, look left, turn left. I'm looking for...
Oh, can we get a little higher?
Yes. I'm looking for 040 heading.
I'd like to be a little higher.
Okay, well, let's straighten
Already
it.
traffic 07500 Juliet's 9 to the north, enter right downwind for 16 full stop Bulverde.
I'm just thinking if we got a downwind push, we'd be pushed into them.
I'm flying my heading.
Aren't you going to be running into him?
No. He's on straight in for 17. He should be way over here. But I'll look.
Bulverde traffic 07500 Juliet's 5 to the northwest. We're going to enter right downwind for 16. We'll keep our eyes open for you.
What airport?
I thought he said Bulverde. Bulverde.
He's landing.
Cleburne traffic, Skyhawk 02 Victor. We're 8 west, landing Cleburne. Okay, that guy turned on the runway lights.
Yeah, I heard that. I saw him come on. Him, though.
Terror traffic, Cherokee 478 on a final runway 17, touch and go, Terror.
Keep your eyes peeled. Just scan everything, really. This time of day, people come home on Sunday night. Cleburne traffic, Skyhawk 02 Victor. We're 6 west, landing Cleburne.